So, I was getting tired of push mowing the lake, so I found this mower on Marketplace on Facebook, and he was asking 150 bucks for it, and it wasn't staying running. He said it would run for a little bit and then die. So I did some Googling, figured out what it could be. It could be the fuel line, could be the fuel filter, could be carburetor issues, but I figured if I got it for a low ball price, I could do something with it and have myself a cheap mower. So I lowballed him for half what he was asking, and he bid. So actually I went lower than that. I went 50 bucks, and then he countered at 75, so I took it. Figured I've changed the needle and seat in a carburetor before, so, and I've also had this exact same mower, which I changed the needle and seat on. So I had a feeling it was the same issue where there was gasket in the crankcase, and eventually that'll shut your mower down. The viscosity gets too thin, and I think it overheats and shuts down. But anyways, he said it'd run for a few minutes and then shut off. So I went and took a look at it, started it up, it started fine. Then I shut her down, put my finger in the oil, and could tell there was gas in the oil. So pulled the carburetor apart, figured I'd have to order parts for carburetor, and ended up finding out that you could order a whole new carburetor for just 20 bucks. Comes from China, and they run freaking phenomenal. So my carburetor arrived the other day, and now to change the oil and get started putting the carb back on. So that'd be fun. Cheers. So you can see I cleaned the mower off pretty good. Got her all washed up, and now prop the wheels up so that the oil will drain out better. Now we're gonna see what we got for oil. As you can see, you got a ramp for the oil to drain down. Something my signs are useful for, and instead of being just garbage taking up space. Here we go. Oh, get her in there. I'm gonna make another mess. Alright, I need 2 hands, but you can see I was right. Gas in the oil. Viscosity is really thin. Should be a quick fix. Put new oil in and throw the carb on, and should be mowing by the end of the day. Alright, out with the old and in with the new. You might ask how I know how to do this kind of crap. I got news for you, I don't. I'm just punting. Figuring out as I go. If you ain't afraid to try, you can pretty much accomplish anything nowadays with YouTube. And a lot of times I'll draw from my old man's experience. He gets a lot of phone calls from me asking this or that, how I do this, how I do that. Because the longer you live, the more you experience. My kids I'm sure will call me one day and ask me to do this or that, or show them how to do this. And if I wasn't here trying this shit, I wouldn't be able to help them. So, moral of the story is give it a try. You never know what you're capable of until you try. Right, here we go. Here's the new carb, brand spanking new. Gotta figure out how to hook it up. We got a choke. This is the choke. This is a throttle. Not sure what this little dinky thing is, but it has something to do with the throttle. Maybe it's a low speed jet or something, connector. But anyways, got a new gasket, brand new carb. Got Got an air port that's got a hook up there. That is your choke. There's your throttle. And a couple gaskets to throw on and we'll be golden. See if she runs. I have no idea what to hook up first, but it looks as though the throttle needs to go first or I won't be able to fish everything. Ooh, that's a tight bit. It's gotta go there. Maybe just go. Alright, I'm gonna have to force it a little bit. Oh, there we go. That went. Just needed to hit the right angle. Now this little spring-loaded thingamabob. And now the choke. There we go. And this lines up with the mounting bolt. There's a electrical ground or something there. Here. There we go. And hook up this vacuum hose or suction or whatever the hell it is. Now I gotta slip in the gasket and we're golden. Just gotta bolt her down. Alright, now we're putting on the muffler. You want to be careful when you start the bolts so you don't cross-thread them. You don't want to over-tighten and break them off. Been there, done that. And it's a loud-ass mower unless you got something to back them over. Alright, before we put the air cleaner back on, let's test her out and see if it works.